Shoutout another tutorial, another song. So, the song, ang kanta ay mula kay Ma'am Carly, and then kasama niya dito featuring Chris Stapleton, kung tama bang, kung hindi ako mali sa pag-pronounce, no? So, ang title ay We Don't Fight Anymore. So, simple version lang ito, guys, simple version. 3 to 4 parts lang ata, 3 to 4 parts. So, let's start kagad. Intro and verses, intro muna at verse. So, ito mga chords, 2 chords only. For intro and verses. So E, first chord is eagle, and then second chord ay A sus2. So gaya ng A, remove lang tong pinakababa, remove, okay. And then a string pattern ay ganito, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So timing lang, timing down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Play natin na. So, play natin intro. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then iso. Okay? Up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? Up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down. Okay? Down, up, down, up, down. And then, pasok ang verse. Okay, pasok ang verse. Eto pa rin yung mga chords. I couldn't make jealous and I try. Na 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 na. Okay? Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? Intro and verses yan guys. And then, pati sa pre-chorus ata. Pre-chorus, may pre-chorus. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. And then chorus tayo, chorus part yan ang intro, verse 1, pre-chorus, ito lang mga chords. And then sa chorus tayo, pagkatapos noon, chorus, ito mga chords, pakita ko muna, show it first. We don't yell, na na na. So ito, E pa rin, E, first chord E, and then A sus2. And then, ang third chord ay isang C sharp minor. We can't hear. And then, the fourth chord B. Then, hold A sus2. Okay? Okay? We don't fight anymore. Okay? So, A, E, then A sus2, C sharp minor, B at A. So, play natin ulit kasama string pattern. We don't yell, na na na. Okay? Na 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 na. Then A sus2. Na 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 na. Okay? And C sharp minor. Na 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 na. Then B. Hold, A sus to hold. Then yan ang buong chorus. Then back intro at verse. Dito pala sa second verse guys, may pagbago ng kaunti. So back intro muna. Yun pa rin. And then sa ending ng pre-chorus, sa second verse ay mag-add tayo ng F sharp minor. So last chord sa pre-chorus ay F sharp minor. Playin lang natin para masundan nyo sa ending ng pre-chorus. Pagkatapos ng second verse, na 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 na, and then insert F sharp minor. I don't show it. So pakinggan yun lang audio, no? Patapos na 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 na, I don't show it. May part na ganyan sa ending ng pre-chorus, and then repeat lang chorus. Yung chorus, and then pati sa solo sa bridge part, E at A sus lang. Repeat lang yung pati ang string pattern. Okay, pati sa bridge at solo part. So yan na lahat guys. Ay nabala mag-timing lalo na sa second pre-chorus bago ang second chorus. Hindi naman tutorial. See you sa mga next na uploads natin, no? Bye bye.